Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image 3-4 years ago and I made some kind of illustration type image, watercolor image, well, a couple different images from this shooting. And this shot is gonna be my subject today, and I have this image, and I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter called Find Edges. Well, every time I see these pictures, well, this feeling or this pose gives me some different feeling. So it'll change the color I'm gonna add, and of course it's gonna be changed some feeling, I think. So I hopefully, well, it's gonna be changed the image. I don't know what's gonna happen, how it's gonna look like, how it's turn out. Alright, let's get started. Let me change this blend mode first. Well, I know the luminosity is pretty nice. Colors, I already know. Well, I want to mix this one first. Okay. Make group and duplicate this group. Now flatten this image. Okay, I'm gonna break this group. Move out of group and delete this group. I don't need it anymore. And I'm gonna duplicate this original image. Well, let me turn it off, this pencil drawing type, luminosity effect layer. Then change blend mode of this pencil drawing type image. Bring back to normal. Okay. Then I'm gonna change rename all the layers. Alright. Now to originals. One of these original, I'm gonna change opacity about 50. I'm looking at pencil drawing now, okay? Now I'm gonna bring this one up to luminosity effect layer. So it's half-tone image. We see some luminosity effect pastel colors underneath. Well, let me see, change. Let me turn it off, these. We don't see anyways. Okay, this original image, half-tone image. Let's see how it looks like. Overlay. Well, linear burn. Color burn. I kind of like this color burn. We're gonna have some detail over the hair. Yeah, kind of interesting color burn. Well, just leave it. Original 50%, half-tone, change blend mode, color burn. We see some colors too. That's pretty nice. Overall, warm up, kind of yellowish, nice color. Okay, I'm gonna add some color. Nice texture of the color. I'm gonna add layer and let's see, just paint it on. I feel like this evolved texture goes well on this kind of image. And the color is maybe bluer, pastel. Yeah, I feel like this kind of image. Yeah, more like bluer cast. Now I'm going to change brush. Yeah, brushing to medium blend. Change color to more warm tone. Orange. Maybe I'm gonna tone down this costume. I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image up to just over luminosity effect layer. Then change blend mode to divide. Now I'm gonna make mask. Then invert mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this, well, say medium blend. This one is divide effect, right? Much more cleaner look. A little bit too light, maybe this much. Then a little bit. Yeah, maybe a light side. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some color. Okay, now I want to add some black lines. Okay, I'm gonna add one more layer. Now this is sketching to, well, use this Procreate pencil. Okay, now I'm gonna add some shadow detail. Shadow, well, darkness. Okay, I'm gonna move this original image. Move this one, go up to over this original. This one is color burn. And the effect is overall color burn image. Now, this original, I wanna change. This one is linear burn. Then I'm gonna make mask. Now invert mask. Then add some dark area, shadow area. Light comes from left side, right side of her. So I'm gonna use brush, brushing to real soft one, soft brush. Let's see, like shadow area. Okay, I think pretty much this is the base image of luminosity effect layer. Now, then I add color on blend mode color, add some blue or green cast of I just felt her feeling. Her expression is kind of bluer image to me. Then I just want to lighten up her clothes. So pencil drawing type image, I just change blend mode to divide to lighten up touch. Then this is too much thin, so I add original base image 50% color burn. Halftone, change blend mode to color burn to get this much colors overall. Then I add some linear burn original to get this shadow area with this mask. This is without mask too much. I only need the shadow area. Then I get add some texture of her hair in a rectangle to get the white border on this layer. Well, this is it for today's illustration. Kinda nice image. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And you guys have a nice day. And see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Pretty nice. I like this.